So this new law is going into effect April 1st, 2025, and it will only be available for dates of death after April 1st, 2025.
Okay, so if your family member died this year, you can't just wait and then go use the new process next year. It's not going to apply to you.
Yeah, you'll unfortunately have to. If it means a probate, it means a probate, unfortunately.
Sorry. Yeah. So hang on, Grandma.
The first big change in this law is in regards to the small estate affidavit procedure. And we talked about this a couple of episodes ago. It can be used when a decedent had less than the probate threshold of $184,500 in personal property. The living person entitled to that property could, sign this affidavit, a declaration saying that they're entitled to it and receive it without going through any sort of court process. So the change coming next year is that there's going to be a carve out for up to $750,000 for a decedent's primary residence. So what this means is the decedent could have died owning a primary residence up to $750,000 plus $184,500 in other property. And the living person could still use this procedure to get access to that property.
Got it. So, because right now, the small estate affidavit has to say, not only I'm entitled to this property, but there's not a probate. There doesn't have to be a probate because the decedent didn't have more than 180. It basically has to say that. But now, starting next year, you can say the decedent didn't have more than 184,000 or a primary resident. I guess there would be another sentence on the small estate affidavit.
Thank you for joining us today for another episode of Absolute Trust Talk Live. If you enjoyed listening in, then don't forget to subscribe. You can find us on Apple Podcasts or wherever you may listen by searching Absolute Trust Talk. While you're there, we would also love for you to leave us a review. And then why not share your favorite episodes with family, friends, or colleagues too? You can find all of our shows and corresponding show notes by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com. You'll also find a variety of other free resources, including our ebooks, videos, blogs, presentations, and more. If you need help with your estate planning or administration, we also offer a free discovery call to help get the process started. You can find more information on booking your session by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com/scheduling. Don't forget to keep an eye out for our next live episode. If you join us for the broadcast, you can submit questions during the show. But if not, don't worry. You can always get in touch with us by sending a quick message to info@absolutetrustcounsel.com. Thanks again for listening. We'll see you soon.